Hi guys, and welcome back to Lazy Mate's Country Kitchen. We're going to be cooking some supper tonight. And since Mr. Lazy wasn't too fond of the other, we're going to give something else a whirl tonight.
Well,
Oh, snap.
It was eatable, but it just, it wouldn't hit on my favorite radar.
Alrighty, we're starting off with a pound of some good old homegrown hamburger.
Now you're talking.
Yep, his favorite thing in the whole wide world is hamburger. That's the reason you'll see a lot of hamburger recipes on here. He'll eat chicken breast and steak every once in a while, but everything else has got to be hamburger, and that's what he likes the best. So anyway, I got my Instapot. We're doing it all in the Instapot again, but it's sitting on the sear setting.
And you know what they say about opposite, don't you?
Yep. And it's been raining here all day, so if I act crazy, it's because I've been hurting bad. Where's the salt?
I had it.
I forgot about the popcorn.
Yep.
But we're going to start off with about a teaspoon, thank you, of black pepper in here. And we're going to start off with about a teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to do roasted garlic. We're going to use about a teaspoon of it. And this is just 1 pound of ground beef, so. And we're going to do a little bit of onion powder. About a teaspoon or so of it. Alrighty.
I don't know if it's allergy medicine the last couple of days or the garlic, but something just opened my sinuses up. Woo!
Yes.
Because I can smell it.
Well, that's a good thing. I'm going to add just a tad bit of some Slap Yo Mama in here. This stuff is good. I mean, it is good. We are also going to be adding 1 beef bouillon cube to this whenever we add. But this is like the, sort of kind of like the hash brown stuff that I fixed. But we're doing it with hamburger, and we're doing it with cream of mushroom soup. So I'm going to get this mixed up, get it browned, and we'll be right back. Guys, the next thing we're going to do, because it's about done, we're going to put, I don't know, probably a little over half of this small onion in there. And Mr. Lazy's cutting it up for you in there. How much is left? Just go ahead and put the whole thing in there.
What I was kind of thinking, but
yeah, it's little.
But I was gonna let you look first. I don't know how it is, guys. You have to keep her happy.
Something like that. You know those saying, "Mom ain't happy, ain't nobody happy." Oh. We're going to be doing some hash browns, cutting them up and getting them ready while this cooks too. So that's what we're going to be working on while we do this. Alrighty guys, we're gonna add just a dice of Worcestershire sauce and a dash of soy sauce. And that will be good. And now we're going to go ahead, since we got that in there, and we're going to add our little beef bouillon cube. I hate these little things. It's hard to get them opened. Alrighty, I'm going to drop it down in there and let it be melting while it's cooking. And as soon as we get the rest of this done, I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we cut these up like fry style tonight instead of the other way.
Well, them the other night was a little bit too little, I think.
Just cut them up every how you want them, because it don't really matter if you chunked them, diced them, whatever. Oh, and then I'm putting a can of cream of mushroom in here. And I'm adding a little bit of water. About a half a can. Then I'm going to mix this up. I think we added too many taters.
Can you get some taters?
It'll cook down some though, maybe not.
Yeah. It'll
not
be
for you.
No, I'm a tater pumpkin.
When you're raised on beans and taters, you know how it is. And I'm gonna, since there's so many, so much in here, I'm gonna put a cream of chicken soup in here too, cause it's not up over my taters, and sometimes you gotta back up and regroup.
Take cream of chicken.
Yep. Because I don't have, I'd add another can of cream of mushroom, but this was my very last can of cream of mushroom.
That goes along with country cooking too. You just cook what you got.
Yeah. But this will be good in here too. Alright.
Yep.
It's alright.
Almost.
Let's just add a little bit more water.
Yep.
And get all this goodness out of here. Get that stirred in there. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna just get the lid. There's 13 minutes left on my sear. I'm probably just gonna start it over and let it sit here and cook for about 30 minutes. Is what I'm gonna do. So as soon as it gets done, I'll bring you right back. Alrighty guys, we're gonna put this lid on here, locker and loader, and I'm gonna just stop the sear because there's not but 11 minutes left, and I'm gonna restart my sear mode, which will be 30 minutes. And just press start, and I'm gonna let it sit here and do its thing, and we'll bring you back whenever it's done. Alrighty guys, as you can tell, my steam, I've released my steam on this. So we're going to open her up. Oh, I need the cheese. I forgot the cheese. So we get to cool it down with froze cheese, y'all. But see how this is just yummy goodness in here? Oh, it looks so good. I think I need a bigger pony. That was a mushroom. Alrighty, guys. There we go. Now, I'm going to put some cheesy weezy on here. Just put a good old handful on there. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
And we're just going to mix this up, and that'll way to cool Mr. Lazy's down so we don't get to burn his mouth tonight. But does that not look good? I know it smells good. I hope it tastes as good as it smells. Alrighty, guys. We'll give you a taste test and see how we like it. We're going to add a little bit of pepper to it.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty.
Alrighty, guys. Let's see if it's... Gosh, that bowl's hot. Oh. Alrighty, guys. Let's give this a treat. Alrighty, guys. Let's give this a taste test. Look at that yummy goodness. That is good. I like that. Let's see if Mr. Lazy likes it as good as I do. I gotta go sit down. Alrighty, Mr. Lazy's gonna give his supper a try and see if he likes it as good as I do.
I like this a whole lot better than you did the other night. This is more my style now.
Alrighty, you got a big fat thumbs up for Mr. Lazy. We're gonna go eat, and I got to sit down, guys.
You can write this one down and keep it.
Alrighty, so it's a keeper. Alright, guys, thank you for being with us here at Lazy Mae's Country Kitchen, and we'll see you on the next one. Stringy cheese! Bye!